What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. We're just going to dive right into the video. We're going to make a crazy Drake type beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. We're going to try and make something hard and like nasty for like his new album. So let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. So I got my tempo at a little bit of a faster tempo to get like some rhythm and some like pace in that beat. What we're going to do is turn this to mono. I'm working in D minor, so you can highlight the scale right here, select D and then the minor scale.
I be outside when they pop shit. 200 bands in my clip. Had a kick in there. Ooh. Just like a little pause on that one on the third right here. Just let the 808 come in and then the kick comes back in like this. And then ooh! Maybe just like shift this one. Oh yeah, that's it. Things like that, you don't want to overdo the kick pattern. Like sometimes people go crazy with their kicks, so really listen to what you're doing. Yeah. Oh, that's hard. Then I want to switch up in the 808. What we're going to do right here is render this sound out and flip it. Hey, and if you're enjoying it, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Maybe reverse this. Add some gross beat on this as well. Render that out and also flip it just a little bit. We want some variations in those Drake beats, bro. Like some switch ups. Let's add halftime to this. Might just take only the first part. I don't like that bending sound in there right here as well. Cut out that bending type of sound. Add some delay to this. Turn this down a little bit. Switch up. Can definitely hear Drake on this, bro. Okay, what we are going to do, turn it back to the normal pitch, the way we had it in. What we're going to do is make it gradually pitch up. So we pitched it up to 3 semitones. So we're going to do the same, automate the pitch right here. So copy that over and we're going to copy it right there. Hard. So we got 2 switch ups. Let's play it from the beginning. Yeah. And pop me outside. Yeah. Cooking up beats in FL. Hey, turn up the heat as I felt. We got 3 808s in this beat even. My CPU is going crazy. Sorry about the crackles, but it just went crazy for a bit. But then it's like, whoa, what is this? What is this? Oh shit. It's not over yet, the song? Oh, what? Another switch up? Shit. You go crazy. Hey, 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 hey. Woo, woo, woo. Hey bro, I'm gonna finish this beat later. It's super fire in my opinion. It's really on some Drake type of vibes, some Drake rap, spitting, going crazy type vibes. I can definitely hear like 21 Savage on this as well. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkannaBeats, and I'm also active on TikTok, also SkannaBeats. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down below what you want to see next. Peace.